Hey, myself Summer, and thanks to giving me this opportunity to audit your website. And I'm going to tell you in a 5 minutes how exactly we are going to get you the business from Google and how exactly our services help you to get the organically visibility on Google search. Like I can see on your homepage, when I check the very basic thing, which are meta tags, these meta tags not optimized properly. This title and description is not really good at this point, and the robot stack meta no index no follow is telling Google that you can't index this website. You are not allowed to index this website. Let's see if it is the case. Yes, your website is not indexed in Google due to this very basic reason. Now come to next thing, heading. Your heading is missing here. H2, S3 is giving again, it is not optimized. Come to other part, on page keywords, the most relevant keywords are missing here. The most relevant keywords are not only missing but it is not optimized in a fair manner, which exactly we are going to help you out. And now come to the other thing, capability and services. These pages would have the same problem like we have found in a home page. It is also has meta no index no follow, title tag is missing, descriptions are missing, and the heading tags are also missing here, and the relevant keywords are not very well optimized on this page as well. Now come to other thing. When I search Dream Design Construction LLC, I can see your Google Map listing is coming here, Facebook page and other Yelp listing, business directories listing, which is a good thing. But when I search business remodeling in VA, which might be one of your keywords, and your website neither coming on top 3 on Google Maps nor it is visible on web search result, and it is listed on 10th position. That part also we will optimize and we will improve in your website. And one more thing which I have noticed, that your inner pages are not CRO optimized. It means when somebody visit to your website and they want a quick contact us thing, that part is missing, that is leading to a different page which is not advisable in SEO. So we would ensure that your every page is very well optimized, and we will increase the chances to send you the leads from your every page. One more thing which I want you to look at, the backlinks part. In Google organic result, the most important thing is backlinks, and I can see here there are only very limited number of backlinks are built, and only a few of them is a good considered as a good backlinks, and more of them are really considered as bad backlinks. In result, your ranking may get harm in future, and Google probably would not index your website in a same way like your other competitors have been doing it. So we will ensure you would have the healthy backlink profile. Thank you.